Okay, I'm going to show you how to put a handle grip around your poles. This is aluminium one. This will allow you to have a better grip and warmer hands on frosty mornings. Here you roughen the pole surface up with a file or emery cloth, sandpaper, what have you, so the material can stick to your pole. So getting contact adhesive, you apply it on your pole like this. You can use aerosol type contact also, and also you put the contact on the back of your material that you want around the pole. So once the contact is tacky dry, you put your pole on the material like this, and then you wrap it around until it's joined and just hold it there. So here's the finished product, and you have a handle that's non-slip, easy to use, warm in the hands, and just comfortable to use. And well, I suppose that's about it.